might have a 10-cent Roosevelt dime worth a lot of money and you don't even know how much it's actually worth. If you come across a rare coin, the last thing you want to do is accidentally spend it when in reality the coin is going to be worth a lot more than just 10 cents. Without wasting any more time, let's just hop right into this video. So up first, we have a 1951 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a Proof 68 Deep Cameo. This coin sold for $23,500, and here's why. So the first thing you need to know is that the highest grade we can achieve in grading is 70, and this one is only 2 points away from that perfect grade of 70. This is a proof coin. Now, proof coins are different than normally issued coins by the way that they appear. You can tell you have a proof coin by the field or the backdrop of the coin being very shiny and almost having an appearance like a mirror. You can see reflection a lot of the time. One thing to watch out for is some people will get normally issued coins and polish them to make them appear to be like proof coins, and sometimes normal coins will just come very shiny, so don't get the two confused. It's important to know how much the grade really impacts the value on coins like this. If this coin would have graded at a 64 or a 65, it would have brought significantly less money. Now, I don't want to get your hopes up into thinking that just because you have a coin means that you're going to get it graded and it's going to grade really highly. The coin has to be pretty much immaculate, just like this one, and then maybe, depending on market conditions, it would bring $23,500 just like this one did. Similar looking coin, this is a 1968 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a Proof 68, so the same grade, but this one sold for $48,875, and this is why. So this coin is considered to be an error coin, and it's an error coin because around the date there should be an S mint mark. A lot of the time, proof coins are minted at the San Francisco Mint, which that S mint mark stands for. The hard part about this coin is that there are 1968 coins that are minted at the Philadelphia Mint that are not proof coins that don't have a mint mark. A lot of people confuse this error coin with normally issued Philadelphia coins. There's a big difference there. If you have this coin and it's a proof coin, you could have a coin with a lot of money because this one sold for $48,875. Same type of coin, but this one sold for $456,000. Markets and the prices of these coins can really fluctuate depending on how many of them exist in specific grades. It's supply and demand. The less number of coins, the more demand, the more money it's going to bring. This coin should also have an S mint mark standing for the San Francisco Mint around the date. Because it doesn't, and it also has some really nice toning on it. Really quickly, toning is essentially where the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin and change the color of the coin. You can see this coin has a yellow and purple hue to the entire coin. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $456,000. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more.